Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. If you are new, I am Catherine. Today I have my first Fabfitfun. It's my first annual box. I have two, so let's get into it. Fabfitfun Fall 2025. Let's check it out. This box looks like it has been through some things. I mean, it looks stepped on, it's been taped. It clearly came apart at some point because it's all taped back up. I mean, I hope everything, because this is the box that I have little things in, and there are big, big gaps. This is actually what I refer to in my own house as my backup Fabfitfun box. This is my second box. My first box hasn't even shipped yet. I am taping this on Thursday, August 21st. So it's been 2 weeks and 2 days since customization closed for annuals, and I did rush. So I contacted Fabfitfun and they said they would elevate it. But between when I contacted them and when they got back to me, I talked to, for a different reason, my partner associate, the person who helps me since I am a partner, and I mentioned it to her and she went in looking about it, and that box has not shipped because I do the refill of the Beekman 1802 Ylang Ylang lip balm, $3 refill lip balm. There's a problem with it. So they've held my box. So she said it should ship out by the end of this week. And Fabfitfun, not because of her, but because of it, I had talked to regular Fabfitfun, did refund my rush shipping. But normally with rush shipping, they say it ships within 3 days of the close. If it weren't for showing you guys on the channel, I wouldn't even care that it was coming. I mean, it's been 2 weeks. That's fine. But I usually get them before seasonal members do their selection, so I can usually show you more. But anyway, we have this one. It's my backup box, but now it's my primary box. I don't have any add-ons. Oh, I do think, well, I do think we have in this box a mystery bundle. So I'm gonna cut on up into it. There is tape every which way on this box. Yeah, unfortunately, the tape that's holding it together is not original to Fabfitfun. It literally looks like, probably, to me, it looks like, I don't even know where to open it anymore. It looks to me like somebody probably set something really heavy on top and it crushed it. How was it delivered? This one was delivered, it says Speed X on top. I don't know what Speed X is, but that's not UPS or FedEx. So it came Speed X. When we open it up, yes, she's definitely been crushed. Oh no, that whole side over there is, let me see if I can show you guys. This whole side is completely, here's hoping all my goodies are in here. We will find out together, but this is what this beautiful box looks like. And if you've gotten this far and you are new to Fabfitfun, let me tell you that it is a lifestyle box. It comes out 4 times a year, spring, summer, fall, and winter. I will put all the information down below if you want to go over and check it out. And I have discount codes that will get you 20% off a seasonal box and a nice gift if you do the annual. Plus, if you do the annual, you do your annual access before seasonal members do. So generally your box comes a couple weeks earlier and you'll save $60 over the course of the year. They're also doing a loyalty program now, but I will put the links down below if you want to go over and check that out. Okay, let's check it out and see if everything is in my box. I do see right on top paperwork. This is our HelloFresh paperwork. We get one of these every season with our discount codes. This one is 11 free meals. And then we have a postcard for Rent the Runway also with 40% off for Rent the Runway. It's easy to see because it was big at the bottom and it would have been tough for this to eke out that side. This is the board that we could have ordered, and it is, I'm glad we continued to read the inches on it because this is bigger than I thought it was gonna be. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I didn't stop and look at it for myself. That is absolutely beautiful and it feels nice and smooth. I love the scallops on it. This is the Mela Artisan Scalloped Edge Mango Wood Board. It had a $100 value. And what we talked about near the end is it is not a cutting board. It's for like charcuterie or to use as a presentation board, that kind of thing. It is gorgeous. I am very, very happy with it. The size is much bigger than I thought it was gonna be. So I am super happy with that. Not that you couldn't use it either way, but that is a and look, it has little feet, so as you use it on your table, it's gonna sit nicely, and they feel like it's gonna stop it from sliding, and it's not gonna scuff your table, so She's beautiful. That was my choice for customization 1, and that had a $100 value. I would not come across that in, say, Home Goods and spend $100 for it, but I am very happy to have it. But with the $100 value, it does cover the price of your box. But regardless of the value, I knew that was something I would use, so I definitely wanted it. Customization 2 in this box, I chose the Orbe Serene Scalp Oil Control Treatment Mist. So that is what that looks like. She's very bright. She's getting a lot of blowback. It is 4.2 ounces. Let's check it out. I do have fresh hair today, so technically I don't really need oil control today, but we definitely want to see what it smells like. That is what it looks like. Orbe is always so pretty, and it said that it was 4.2 ounces, $58 value. So again, this almost covers the cost of your box. Prolong the pause between washes with this scalp mattifying mist. Green marine algae and sugar-derived prebiotic control sebum to balance and support a healthy scalp microbiome. Okay, that's what it looks like when you take it off. Let's see what it smells like. I always love the Orbe scents. I'm still kind of sad that, was it last season? I didn't get those big jugs in the add-on sale. Oh, that comes out. I'm gonna do it one more time so you guys can see it, hopefully. Probably best against the dark. Could you tell that it's like one fine? Probably because in theory, maybe you're headed for your part. Oh, it smells good. Minty. What is that? It's very nice. It's going away also, which is nice because I do put a lot of things on my hair. I've almost lost it. The scent is almost gone. Did we talk about the scent? I'm using my iPad so that I have all the spoilers. So we have all the information that we need. Mattify scalp. It's fragrance free. I mean, nailed it. When it's dried, there's almost no scent. I didn't even realize that. So that is fantastic. Very excited to try this. I have a difficult time not washing my hair every day because it's so fine and thin and it gets oily. And I have, spoiler alert, in my other box, the powder, that's the Orbe powder coming. So I will be trying all of the things because I need to be able to not wash my hair every day to be able to go as long as I possibly can because it's so ridiculously long now that it needs a break. It is a lot of blow drying. I think this is customization 3. This is the Dr. Jart Cicapair Derma Green Solution. Let's see what this says. Color corrector. Tiger grass color correcting treatment. You know your girl's red. I mean, oh my goodness, I lean red. So I have been using other Dr. Jart, the drops in the sale, and they're green and they've been making a huge difference. So I thought I would try this. It is the Tiger Grass Color Corrector 50 ml SPF 30. $54 value. So I really did well with picking the pricier things here in the beginning, which I don't necessarily do because I absolutely don't even pick a little bit by price. Nor sometimes I quite often have the lower priced items because I pick what I know I'm going to want and what I'm going to use. A moisturizing green to beige Korean color corrector for lighter skin tones, powered by Centella Asiatica extracts. It's an SPF 30. And I just thought that that would be something that I would like to try. So when we get it out, it is a cute jar. I love the look of that. It's kind of like 50s medicinal looking to me, and there's something about it I like. It's a little wet. It's hard to tell. It's very liquidy. It's holding. It's in the lid and it's holding, but it's very liquidy for a lotion. And when we get it out, it's just got that nice green to it. And when you put it on, it goes on a little green and it kind of goes to beige. And I've just really been enjoying these on my face. That is what I chose in customization 3. In customization 4, I chose the Love AJ Shell Coil Threader Earrings. I chose them in gold because I am a gold, I don't have a stitch of my jewelry on. I am a gold jewelry girl and I knew these would be perfect for me. They come in this big bag to keep them safe, but to also stop them from banging up against each other, one of them is in a bag also. That is what they look like. It was hard to tell with me. Better against my shirt, right? that is what they look like. They are nice and long. They have the rubber backing on it with the straight metal piece to put through your earrings. So you could put them with threaders. The beauty is you can make them as long as you want. I would take the rubberized piece off when you do that, but I have several threader earrings that I wear at this length and they stay in my ear. I've never had one come out. So that has been my experience. These are very, nope. These are very pretty though. Kind of dainty for threaders, but I thought there was a chance of them showing with my hair. I thought this was a perfect choice for me. It is the Love AJ Shell Coil Threader Earring. You could have chosen gold or silver. They are waterproof and tarnish free, lightweight, 24/7 wear, and they had a $58 value. That is what they look like. And for customization 5, I have the Rare Beauty hand cream. I think I chose all of the Rare Beauty products between my boxes. I got the hand cream, the body cream. I have been using the body cream. That came in my partner box. I have been using the body cream and I love the scent of it. I am hoping that the hand cream is the same scent. It's a nice lotion and again, I am enjoying the scent. That is sweet. This will be perfect for like in my purse. It's about the size of your palm. About the size of my palm. Oh, I was like, why won't it come off? When you twist it, the hole is in the top. I did not realize that when we were doing our spoilers. I didn't realize that the top was never off of it. Okay, so it just squeezes out. I think it's the same scent. It is. I like that scent so much. There's something about it. I think I said this when I did my body cream too. There's something about it that comes off kind of vintage to me. It has a vintage lotion smell to it and I just love it. But it is 1.79 ounces and it had a $18 value. I like the Rare Beauty. I liked so many of the great brands that Fabfitfun worked with this season. But I am here to tell you, if I ran across this in Sephora, I would not spend $18 for that amount of hand cream, personally. I'm sure there are people that do. I'm sure she sells plenty of it. And I do enjoy the smell, and it feels very nice. It absorbed really nicely. I don't feel it all greasy. It is quite lovely. I don't think I would spend $18 on it. I'll let you know. As we get into winter and I start using hand cream more, I'll let you know if I end up at the store picking up another one of these. But it smells fantastic. Now we have come to the sad part of this unboxing. I don't have my customization 6. And it is one of the things I personally was probably looking forward to most in the box. It is I chose the Merit Lip Oil in Pink Beet, but I suspect when it was torn asunder, crushed upon, ripped apart, and then taped back together at some point during that process, apparently my lip oil came out. That makes me very sad, but I will reach out to Fabfitfun. I will let you know down in the comments where I stand with them. I am probably going to put this video up tomorrow. So in all fairness, I may not have a resolution by then, but I will let you know where we stand. Because this is a box, this isn't a partner box. This is just a box that I pay for. And I would really like my Merit lipstick, but I don't know if it's sold out. So I will, not lipstick, lip oil. So I will let you know where that ends up as soon as I find out. I do a refill for this box, and it is of a mystery bundle. It's like the $19.99 mystery bundle. Is in a very small box. It looks to me like it's probably, can't tell. It looks to me, I'm looking at it, like it's probably going to be makeup type situation. You guys might have already seen what it is. I'm trying really hard not to pay any attention. So first thing out, I have, ooh, a Kish magnetic bobby pin holder. I am thrilled about this. I actually just bought at Target the other day a brand new set of bobby pins because I've started pulling my hair up just in elastics and then trying to wrap my hair around it and bobby pin it in just so that it's a bun. Not great at it because I've never done that kind of thing, but I'm trying to get better. And this will be awesome for that. Well, I ripped the box. I don't think I'm opening it correctly, but I'm still gonna get my goodies out. It is black. I thought it was blue, so that is perfect. Looks kind of like an old-fashioned ashtray. Nobody will think that but me. Does it open? Is it supposed to open, or is this just it? In the search for lost bobby pins. Keeps bobby pins easily accessible and organized. Strong built-in magnetic surface securely stores metal accessories. Can be used to hold other small metal accessories as well. Well, they've made it look like it opens, but they only show you the goodies on top. So I'm gonna quit trying to open it because I'm gonna assume it's not supposed to be opened. It said Kish somewhere, there we go. So that actually for me is quite fun. Let's see what else I've got. I have a Sila Masque de Glossier clay mask, and I will set this one aside to pass it on. My skin runs pretty dry, and especially since we're here at the end of summer, moving into fall, much as our box says, my skin gets even drier in the winter. I don't love that either. It has a warning sign on it. I wonder how many of our cosmetics they could put this on. Honestly, I probably prefer to live in a little bit of ignorance. Warning, cancer and reproductive harm. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to throw it away now. I want to give it to one of you guys. Out, I have, oh, I've had this before and I finished it, I think. There's no lid. Hold on, did I miss the lid? Yes. So this is the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Multiplying Volume, yay me, Styling Mist. I have actually used this. I like it very much. I finished it and then because it was a nice small bottle, around but tall, it has a small footprint. I use this as I put water in it for when I do my robe curls and I have to mist a little bit into my hair and then wrap it. This is what I use, but filled with water. Oh, could we talked about this? Because I need to put fingernail polish on one of them so that I remember which is which, because the purple is not the liquid, it is the bottle, and they're going to look exactly the same. Good idea, guys. So glad you thought of that. So that was my mystery bundle. It's not a beauty mystery bundle. This is just what I got. Bobby pin holder, a Sila mask, and the Alterna volumizing mist, which I know I love and I'm happy to have. And let me know below what you guys think. I mean, since they literally put it on there, and I know they could probably say that about 90% of the cosmetics we use. Let's talk about it below. And then in my box, I chose the Rare Beauty Find Comfort Hydrating Hand Cream, the AJ Threader Earrings in gold, the Cicapair Derma Green Solution Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment for my cheeks and my face to kind of help protect my barrier and tone down the red that I make myself. The Orbe Serene Scalp Oil Control Treatment Mist. Very excited about that. And my board. This is the Mela Artisans 10 by 16 board. Board, not cutting board, because it's really just for charcuterie. I see other people that do fun things at the holidays that I might do for the kids this year, where they do cookies and candies and make it look like charcuterie. I think that's a super fun idea. And then I was missing, because of the box, not because of Fabfitfun, I was missing my Merit Lip Treatment Oil in Pink Beet. I'm gonna go type right now, see if I can get another one of those sent out. Fingers crossed, because that's one of the items I was most excited about, but things happen. Okay. I hope that I will see you again really, really soon with my other box, my first box, my main box for Fabfitfun Fall 2025, because I have all of the choices in that one, plus I did additional selections, plus I did a couple of add-ons. I've got a refill or two. So that's a chock and a mystery bundle. So that one's chock-a-block. We just need to get it. Okay. Thank you so much for coming by. If you have any questions about Fabfitfun, let me know below, and if I can help you, I certainly will. I have my links down below if you would like to go over and check it out. You'll get 20% off your first seasonal box and a gift if you sign up as an annual member. I think that covers it. Thanks again for coming by, guys, and I will see you really soon. Have a great weekend.